What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm back inside the Jag. I don't know if you guys remember my previous video. I showed you guys the new XF that I got, and then I was showing you guys the paddle shifters, the carbon fiber paddle shifters. So I said I wanted those paddle shifters for this car, and I'm gonna swap them out into this car. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the entire steering wheel, and I'm gonna swap it out with the paddle shifters. I think that's the best way to do it. And actually, now that I'm looking at it, I think the other steering wheel looks slightly better. I think this one looks outdated. In my opinion, I just like the color black. And then once I take both of them off, I'll show you guys. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swap out the steering wheels, and I don't know, I think it's gonna give it a nicer look. I already got the newer gauge cluster. As you can see, these came in the 2012 and up. Looks really nice. Okay, so before you disconnect the battery, make sure you move the steering wheel all the way back. So move it all the way back, and then all the way down. Alright guys, so after you remove this plastic piece, you don't have to remove the top one, you just leave it on. You're gonna turn the steering wheel until you see this little hole right here. Probably can't see it right there. Like this. And then once it's all the way in there, you're gonna turn it. You're gonna turn it. And then at the same time, you're gonna pull the airbag. I think we got this side done. Turn it again, just to make sure. Okay. So now we're gonna turn the steering wheel to the other side, and then do the same thing to this other side. So stick the screwdriver in there, and then do the same thing. Turn it. And there it is. As you can see, the airbag just pops out, and then you can remove the screwdriver, and then it comes out like this. And that's the airbag. So now I'm gonna remove these 3 connectors, and then I'll come back and show you guys what we need to do after. Alright guys, so now that we got the airbag off, as you can see, we're gonna need to remove this bolt. And for that, it's highly recommended to use an impact gun, so that way you don't have to hold the steering wheel at the same time. So I'm gonna use my impact gun. As you can see, it just comes right off, really easy with an impact gun. And now we can pull the steering wheel. Maybe it'll be easier if I use both hands. Alright guys, so now we're gonna remove these. You just gotta undo this plug. This is the only one. Alright guys, so got the steering wheel. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the blue car. So once I take this one off, I'm gonna do a little comparison. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove that one. I'm not gonna show it on video because I already did this one. It's really simple. So I'm gonna take that one off, and then I'll show you guys both of them side by side. Alright guys, so I got both steering wheels, and then let me show you this little discovery that I found. So this is out of the 2012 XF, and this one's from the 2011 XF. So I thought they were both the same, which they are. But check this out. So this is where the issue is. You see this one, and then you see this one. So this one's slightly different. So this one has this sensor riding on the back of the steering wheel, and it's listed on Google as an angle sensor for the steering wheel. So these cars have an integrated angle sensor right here. This is the angle sensor. So it doesn't make sense that there's a separate sensor behind the steering wheel. So I went ahead and took it apart because I really didn't know what this was for. I didn't believe it was a angle sensor. So I went ahead and took it apart, and then I followed the two wires coming from those two wires, and here they are. So it appears to be that this is for the heated steering wheel, which my car does have. So this one doesn't have a heated steering wheel. This one does. I'm gonna just delete this sensor or connector, whatever it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete the sensor and install this steering wheel. Look at those paddle shifters. All right guys, so I took it apart even further, and as you can see, this is the module for the heated steering wheel, and these are the wires that I was talking about. And as you can see, it goes straight to the steering wheel, inside the steering wheel. And this one doesn't have that, as you can see. By the way, if you're curious what the paddle shifters look like, these are the paddles. These are the ones I had in my car. Okay, so I got the steering wheel installed. As you can see, that's how it looks like. No problems. And I already got the airbag hooked up. All you need to do is just put it back in place, and then just give it a little push and it'll snap right in. And there it is. Alright guys, so got the steering wheel installed. As you can see, honestly I think it looks a lot better than what I used to have. And then check out the paddle shifters. Really cool paddle shifters. I always wanted the carbon fiber ones, but these were a lot more expensive, so I ended up getting the other ones that I had. But yeah, what do you guys think? Like it a lot, not gonna lie. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm gonna see if I can swap out a few other things, probably make a video on that. And thank you guys for watching.